Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make zucchini salsa full guide. Start by washing and drying zucchini and tomatoes, then remove stems and coarse bits. Chop into small, even pieces for consistent texture. Finely dice half an onion and a handful of cilantro, keeping flavors balanced. Squeeze fresh lime juice over the mix and season with salt to taste. Stir gently and let it rest for 15 minutes before serving. Warm, friendly tip time. Use a sharp knife and steady hand to dice ingredients evenly for great texture. After chopping, sprinkle salt on zucchini and let it sit to release extra water, then gently squeeze out excess liquid. Toasting seeds or chilies in a dry pan for a minute adds a smoky note that brightens the salsa. Combine everything, taste, and adjust lime or salt until the flavors sing together. In this video, I will explain how to make zucchini salsa full guide. Quick ad note: if you are enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and hit like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes anywhere, even next to a busy stove, and it was featured here as a handy kitchen companion. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Here are practical serving suggestions to make your zucchini salsa shine. If you like heat, add a small diced jalapeno, tasting as you go to match your spice level. This salsa pairs wonderfully with tortilla chips, grilled fish, or as a topping for tacos and grain bowls. Keep leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days and gently stir before serving to refresh the flavors and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.